If you've been watching my other videos, you'll have seen that we stretched this carpet this direction because this room is so large. He was able to stretch it about 1 inch to a little bit more than 1 inch. Now the register, now it's short, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Now, he's going to have to do something over here, and I'm not quite sure exactly what he's going to do.
Make some magic happen.
What are you going to do? You going to get some of your tape and glue it in there?
I cut this piece off.
Yep.
And we're going to move it over to here.
Uh-huh.
We're just going to glue it in.
Just with glue, not with a seam?
Just white
Not with
glue.
that glued seam stuff?
Nope.
No?
Don't need to go that far.
Okay. Guess he's got some...
You won't be walking on this or anything.
Or I wonder if when you get done, if you could put a tack in there, because that's a wood floor.
Yeah, don't want to tack it because it leaves a dimple.
Oh, okay.
Trust me.
Okie dokie.
Well, that's what I got figured at this point. If for some reason I think we need a staple, we'll run one, but I try to stay away from them because they leave dimples.
Yeah.
I don't want a dimple.
Okay.
I'll fudge that up in there somehow. It'll look better when I'm done.
He's gonna work on that and see, we got the seam issue on this one, how it's slightly short. So he'll have to look at this one and kind of make a decision. Now obviously, you won't have to worry about this if you got your registers up in the ceiling. Let's see, he's cutting that out. He's got a good eyeball.
Same
See,
thing
then
here.
he can take that little piece and trim it up and put it on that side. You must have some strong glue.
Why? What are you thinking?
Well, I don't know what type of glue you got. It's some sort of carpet glue, obviously. Not Elmer's glue or anything, or construction adhesive. See, I'm thinking of contracting and stuff.
I'm going to use the glue that they use on the backing.
Oh, that was good. You
White latex.
You just cut that and you put that underneath the carpet.
For a filler.
For the filler. That was good. And
Let
then
me
he's
get
gonna
my white glue and we'll finish up those.
he's gonna take that piece and he's gonna put that over on that.
I gotta run upstairs and get some glue, so I'm gonna take this with me.
Okay. Okay, so this particular video is just about patching in next to the registers. And if you want to watch the other video, yes, he made videos of the other things he did on here. He stretched all this carpet out. He did some work up the stairs. He did some openings next to door openings between carpet and the tile flooring upstairs. And I've got those on my video channel, my YouTube channel, so check them out. Oh yes, I was wondering what he was going to do over here. Remember, it looked a little short here before, but it really wasn't. It was kind of rolled. Oh no! Oh no! He dropped his tool down the... Can you get it?
Man, I don't think I'm gonna see that again.
Oh no! He dropped his, what do you call it?
My Bloody Mary.
His Bloody Mary went down the bloody hole.
The bloody hole.
The bloody register, and it's on an elbow, and he dropped it, and it went. Did you get it? Look at that! Yes.
What else did I get?
Good job.
Bugs.
Good job.
Yeah, lucky Lee.
There's another tip from the carpet guy when you're working around these. Cover your vent holes while you're working. Hey, you know what I was thinking you might have to do before you cut? What? See how it was short? What about, couldn't you stretch it that way a little?
No.
No? What are you going to do?
See all that black on there?
Yeah?
We're just gonna patch it.
Oh, you're gonna patch it? Because that was like that before, wasn't it?
No, it was tucked under the wall nice.
Well, how did it get? Well, he's gonna patch this. Well, this was part of the video I was not expecting. I think this is gonna be a separate
Bonus.
video. This is, actually, it's not a bonus. I'm gonna make a different video, and what it's called is how to patch a piece of carpet, or patching carpet, or something like that. I'm kind of curious how he's gonna do this. I don't know how that happened, because we didn't really stretch the carpet. Well, we stretched the carpet that way a little
You know,
bit.
there are a bunch of staples in here. That kind of tells me maybe the guy didn't have it up here all the way very good. Had to staple it. And maybe, I think it looked good at first.
He's going to patch it. I'm not sure how he's going to do this, but that's what this video is going to be about.
We're gonna patch it,
Okay.
and we're gonna make our seam right on top of that tack strip.
Okay. Got to have a pair of carpet scissors like that. Those are nice. He's pulling out some little staples.
See how the seam's gonna, see where my seam lands? Right on top of that wood.
Yeah. Oh, you're not even going to use any glue. I see what you're going to do.
I was gonna,
You're going to cut a piece and you're going to staple it back in, aren't you?
I'm gonna glue it in,
Oh, okay.
so we're not putting a staple. A staple might leave a dimple. Don't want any dimples.